All right, divas, time for the nitty gritty. This is my favorite part. This is what I use Pure Sale for on a regular basis. This is my absolute, this is why they created it, just for me. So when you're in your app and getting ready to do a party, so let's say we need to set up a party because your girlfriend just said she would host a party for you. So you're going to go to your home screen, right? And again, you can click on the sell product up here at the top left, or you can go down to the bottom left, whichever one you click on, it's going to take you to the same spot, and then it'll take you to this menu here. Now, you've got three options. You've got a new party, your scheduled party, and your outside sale. So if you're setting up a brand new party, you're going to go to new party, right? And I actually, nope, I just got her set up, so I don't need to add it in here that way. Let's see, do I have any new parties? Let's set up, I need to do, I do my birthday orders as a party for every month. So let's set up my event, my party for my April birthday orders. So once I start collecting those orders next month, I'll be ready to go. So you're going to click first, add hostess, and I use myself for this, but you're going to put in whomever is going to be your hostess. And I can never remember which one. I thought I got rid of these extra Lindsays in here. There we go. So this will put your party hostess in. If you didn't already know who your hostess was, you can click on and type in their information and add them as a contact this way. So the main information that you have to have, if you're entering a hostess, you have to have her first name, last name, email address, or phone number. One or the other is required for you to be able to set this up. And her address, because you're going to need the address for the party. So you're going to want to make sure you have that all set in there. So you have your party hostess or hostesses. If you are having a dual hostess party, a nutty buddy party, whatever you want to call it, co-hostess, you can add her in here as well, and it will split the hostess credits evenly between the two, which is really cool. So yay, no more math, ladies. This takes care of it for you. So you're going to put in the party name. If I'm setting up a party just for a regular girl, it'll say Lindsay party. So it's just her first name and party. If I know that I'm doing a birthday party, it'll say Lindsay birthday. If I'm doing a bachelorette, it'll say Lindsay bachelorette. So that just works for my brain. You make it work however you want. There's no right or wrong here. So I'm going to put in April birthday. Oops. That's a problem when it comes to the text replacement. You always forget when you're just typing through here. Yay. And if you don't use text replacement, please start using it. If you are not, then you are a crazy person. And I'll do a different video on how to set up those if you don't know. So April birthday orders. Number of guests, we are just going to guess that we're going to have 10. It's really up to you on how many you put in there. Pure Romance kind of guesstimates that each guest is going to cost you $1. So it will show up in your profit margin at first that it costs you money to do that party. So don't be freaked out by that. If you are, just put 0. It's okay to put 0 or 1. And I do it towards the end of the month. And we are not doing a hostess credit, but you can put in whatever hostess credit it is that you want for the event. So let's say you were doing a special offer and your hostesses that do a Wednesday party during the month of April are going to get a 15% hostess credit instead of 10. It's so easy because you can type it in there, and then you can add party notes too Like, let's say you were giving a $75 bonus gift for all parties over 350. So you can type whatever you want in here in the party notes. This is just for my birthday orders, so I'm not putting anything in here. This is where you make sure you have the right address. It does make you have your city, state, zip code, and country. You have to put in the country before you can put in the state. It's just a weird glitch, so you just kind of get used to it. Just FYI. Yes, we have already asked them if we could get like if we could set up in the settings a default country and state. That would be amazing. But so far we have not had luck with that. So I know it's not always as easy as we would like it to. So at this point you have three options. You can save party and start selling. You can save the party and exit, or you can go back. What we're going to do is save the party and exit so I can show you where to go from that point. So save the party and exit brings you back to this main menu for the parties. So we set up a new party, so you know how to do that now. And then we're going to go to scheduled party. This has all of my parties that are scheduled right now with me. And I just entered a party in on the COO a little bit ago, and it's not showing up in here. So if that happens to you, all you have to do is go to settings, go to advanced, click manual sync, and this is going to start syncing the changes with your COO. So, sorry guys, this will just take a moment, but I wanted to show you how that works. And sometimes, even though it's going to sync, it'll tell you that there's an error syncing. Don't be afraid of that. Just click through it. It'll take you back to the COO, and probably what you were trying to sync and get the information linked up is probably done. It's probably something that we don't even notice, like a back office thing. See, not that bad. Once you do it the first time, it's not so bad. And her party's still not showing up in here, so we're not going to worry about that right now. But I will show you with Jessica's party, because Jessica's now a consultant, so she'll be doing her own party, so this won't be an actual party with me, because she's having her own, right? So at Jessica's party, you can see I've got all of her information on here. And she's set up as the hostess, and then it shows my party note that she gets a $75 auto credit with a minimum $350 party. Yay! So that was a deal that I was offering for girls who booked a party with me last month for the month of March or April. So you're at Jessica's party and you're ready to take some orders. Now keep in mind, if you have this set up before the party, and you use the party link, you give Jessica the party link, and she has a friend place an order, it'll actually pull it. Like Tara has a party with me this weekend, and she already had somebody place an order, and it brought them in here, and it already shows me their orders that they've placed. So I love that. I think it is one of the coolest features ever, that it links up with the orders that are being placed on our website as long as they use that party link. So it'll link it to the party. Yay! So you're at the party and you've done your presentation and now you're ready to take orders. So you go out to your shopping room, click add order.